Hey riders, Pete here again, and today we're diving into Harley-Davidson's 2025 Heritage Classic. This is a bike that combines old school hot rod looks with that legendary V-twin bang from Harley-Davidson. So let's take it out for a spin and see what it's all about. So I've had the opportunity to take the Heritage for a ride, but before I talk about the ride experience, I just wanted to touch on the fit and finish of this thing. We've come to expect great fit and finish from Harley-Davidson, but I reckon they've stepped it up in the last couple of years. The paint on this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's available in 5 different colorways. You can have your choice of spoked wheels like you see here on this rig, or you can have a cast wheel as well. You've got this easily detachable screen, so you can have a real slimline look. And you've got these leather-clad, lockable waterproof cases on the back as well. Like all Harleys, the engine is the centerpiece of the Heritage. For 2025, we've got a 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8. This thing's putting out 156 Newton meters of torque at only 2,750 revs. So it is a down low grunter. Power out of corners, power around traffic, it's got it. So the Softail range, which the Heritage lies within, had a massive update in 2018. New frame, new suspension, and it was a massive lift in performance from a handling point of view. For 2025, they've done some tweaks again, and it's even better. You've got preload adjustability underneath the seat, but it's just a really cruisy, smooth, predictable ride. It's all you could want from a cruiser. Now, comfort-wise, it's miles ahead of where Harleys were just a few years back. The seat's comfy, the riding position's great, the floorboards I really like. They throw your feet out a little bit forward, but not too far. It's a really, really comfortable ride, and this screen gives great protection as well. For its intended purpose of tearing around town and up through the hills, you couldn't ask for more. Harley's thrown a whole heap of tech at the Heritage for 2025. You've got cornering ABS, you've got cornering traction control, you've got ride modes, and factory-fitted cruise control as well, which I love on a cruiser. So the Heritage Classic is perfect for that guy that wants the meaty V-twin, but he wants it in an old school hot rod style. It's comfortable, perfect for playing in the hills, perfect for cruising around town. It's a pretty versatile machine actually, but I gotta go back to it. I just love the Heritage styling. So the all-new Heritage Classic is in store now. Head down to your local dealership, see the guys about finance and trade-in options, and book yourself a test ride. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more awesome two-wheel reviews.